Hi everyone, hope you all will be fine and ready for the next lecture. So our today's topic is the operations on the complex numbers, and the same type of here operations that we are going to use. They are basically addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But here you can see that in question number 6 of 2.6 exercise, the two sides are given and the value of both these variables z and w are given. We'll have to verify that both these sides are equal to each other. We will put the values, we will solve according to the given operation. But you can see that on the left side there is the whole line. This line means conjugate. It's a whole conjugate, and on the right side there are the separate lines on the numbers. On the separately mean they are the separate conjugate over here. I forgot to write here the symbol like this. Okay. So first of all, I'll explain to you what is the basic difference between these two lines. This whole line and these separate lines over here. Okay, these two lines, this whole conjugate, that this line, it identifies that first of all we will put the value, we will solve the whole expression, and at the end we will take its conjugate. This whole line shows that conjugate we will take at end. And these separate lines mean separate bars. They represent that conjugate will be taken in start. First we will take the conjugate and then we will simplify this. Okay? होल लाइन यानी होल कंजुगेट का मतलब क्या है कि पहले हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, कंजुगेट हम एंड पे लेंगे सारा सॉल्व करने के बाद. और यहाँ पर सेपरेट कंजुगेट का मतलब क्या है कि पहले हम कंजुगेट लेंगे, उसके बाद उसको सिंप्लीफाई करके दोनों साइड्स का आंसर एक जैसा आना चाहिए, ये हमने वेरीफाई करना है. Okay, first of all I am going to solve this left hand side. You can write this left hand side, and you can also do this as in the same way. Okay, first of all, as I have told you that this column, first I will put the value of z, that is in the bracket I will put 2 plus 3 iota, then minus, and this is 5 minus 4 iota. This is the value of w. This question part 1 you will try to solve yourself because that's very simple. In the same way you will solve that. Okay, there it has a conjugate. That conjugate I will put over here. I have told you that this line whole bar mean that we will take the conjugate at the end. It means first we will solve this. पहले हम इसको solve करेंगे. Solve कैसे करेंगे? When there is a sign of minus between two brackets, we will simply open the brackets and change the sign of the next values. Minus 5 minus minus plus 4 iota. Okay, the real numbers are 2 and minus 5. The conjugate is the same. 2 minus 5. Then the imaginary numbers plus 3 iota and plus 4 iota, and it has a conjugate over it. Then 2 minus 5. They both are the real numbers. We will simplify. It will give us minus 3 because minus is with the greater value. And then both imaginary numbers will be solved. Plus 3 iota plus 4 plus plus plus. This is 7 iota. Sign will be of the greater value. And this has a conjugate over it. Okay. Now at the end we cannot simplify this further because this is the real number, this is imaginary number. We cannot add this. So what we are going to do? We are going to take the conjugate. यहाँ पर आकर हम क्या कर लेंगे? अब इसका conjugate ले लेंगे. Conjugate क्या होता है? We are just going to change the sign of the imaginary value. यानी complex number है हमारे पास, तो हम complex number में imaginary value का sign change कर देंगे. तो this will be the conjugate. minus 3 minus 7 iota. जब आप conjugate ले लेते हैं तो then आपको बार पुट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, now we are going to do its right hand side. You can write over here. This is right hand side. In the same way, the sign of equal we will put over here. Z mean first we are going to put here the value of z, 2 plus 3 iota, and this has a bar, then minus, then w conjugate, we'll put the value of w, 5 minus 4 iota, and it has a conjugate over it. Okay, as I've told you कि जब हमारे पास सेपरेट कंजुगेट होते हैं तो फर्स्ट वी टेक द कंजुगेट. अब यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, पहले कंजुगेट ले लेंगे. 2 plus 3 iota, its conjugate is 2 minus 3 iota. Put the bracket, minus 5 minus 4 iota, its conjugate is 5 plus 4 iota. Then we are going to open its bracket. It's minus, first bracket's value I will write as it is, minus 5 minus plus minus 4 iota. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to arrange the real and imaginary values. The real numbers are here 2 and minus 5. Real number कौन से होते हैं जिनके साथ iota का symbol नहीं होता, 2 minus 5. और इमेजिनरी कौन से हैं जिनके साथ अयोटा है, जैसा कि minus 3 अयोटा and minus 4 अयोटा. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे हम. 2 minus 5 is minus 3, minus 3 minus 4 minus minus प्लस कर देंगे और साइन ग्रेटर वैल्यू वाला लिखेंगे. यू कैन सी दैट बोथ साइड्स आर कंप्लीटली सेम विद द साइंस इवन. ठीक है, उनके साइन भी सेम है बिल्कुल. तो इट मीन्स कि we have shown here that both these sides are equal to each other. So we will write over here. You can also write the show. You can also write here the verified. Again you can write z minus w whole conjugate equals to z conjugate, minus w conjugate. We'll just have to keep in mind the meaning of the whole conjugate and the separate conjugate. यानी whole conjugate होगा तो आप conjugate end पे लेंगे, और अगर separate conjugates होंगे तो आप conjugate start पे लेके फिर उसको solve करेंगे. In the same way we are going to solve its part 3, that is z w whole conjugate equals to z conjugate into w conjugate. Means if there is no sign between the brackets, so we are going to multiply them. But the whole conjugate means कि first we will solve, then we'll take its conjugate. पहले हम इसको solve, but first of all we have to put here the values of z and w. Z is 2 plus 3 iota. In bracket we will put and w is equals to 5 minus 4 iota. Okay, and it has a conjugate over it. First of all, this conjugate mean that conjugate we will take at the end. हम end पे conjugate लेंगे, पहले हम इसको simplify करेंगे. और simplify कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि दोनों brackets के बीच में कोई sign नहीं है तो हम इसको multiply करेंगे. Multiply का rule क्या होता है, 2 will be multiplied by 5 minus 4 iota, then plus 3 iota will be multiplied by 5 minus 4 iota. यानी 2 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 माइनस 4 अयोटा से, देन प्लस 3 अयोटा विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 माइनस 4 अयोटा. 2 5 टाइम्स 10, 2 4 टाइम्स 8 अयोटा, प्लस 3 5 टाइम्स 15 अयोटा, माइनस प्लस माइनस 3 4 टाइम्स 12 अयोटा. अयोटा मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो अयोटा स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. As you know, the value of iota square is equals to minus 1. That we will put 8 iota plus 15 iota minus 12, and in bracket you will put the value of iota square, that is minus 1. Okay, 10 minus 8 iota plus 15 iota minus minus is plus 12, 1 times 12. Again you will have to Here identify the real and the imaginary numbers. The real are the 10 plus 12 and imaginary are minus 8 iota plus 15 iota. Okay, plus 10 and 12 is 22. Minus plus minus 15 minus 8 is 7 iota. Sign will be of greater value, that is 15. And one thing I forgot over here, that I didn't put the conjugate over it because the conjugate sign is here. Okay, now at the end we will see that this complex number has a conjugate. इसके ऊपर conjugate का sign है, तो हम इसका conjugate लेंगे 22 minus 7 iota. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास क्या आ गई, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आ गई. उसके बाद हम इसकी सॉल्व करेंगे राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, राइट हैंड साइड in the same way we'll put here the sign of equal. First we write the number of z 2 plus 3 iota if it has a conjugate. Then w 5 minus 4 iota and it has a conjugate. Okay, this separate conjugate mean कि first we will take the conjugate. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि जब separate conjugates होंगे तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, उसका conjugate लेंगे और फिर उसको simplify करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले मैं इन दोनों का conjugate ले लेती हूँ. 2 plus 3 iota का conjugate होगा 2 minus 3 iota and 5 minus 4 iota, that is 5 plus 4 iota. Okay, again you can see that between two brackets there is no sign. It means we are going to multiply them. 2 multiplied by 5 plus 4 iota minus 3 iota will be multiplied by 5 plus 4 iota. Now in the same way, 2 5 times 10, 2 4 times 8 iota minus 3 5 times 15 iota minus 3 iota plus 4 iota से multiply होगा, minus plus minus 3 4 times 12 and iota से multiply होगा तो iota square. Okay, now in place of iota square you can put the value of -1 because iota square की वैल्यू क्या होती है, -1. अब इसकी जगह -1 पुट करेंगे, बाकी वैल्यूज अब सारी इसी तरह लिख लें. 10 plus 8 iota minus 15 iota minus here it is 12 and its value is -1. Now we'll simplify this. 10 plus 8 iota minus 15 iota minus minus is plus 12 1 times 12. Okay, sorry. Now we are going to identify again here the real and the complex numbers. The real numbers are the numbers which don't have the sign of the symbol of iota here. That is 10 and 12. 10 plus 12, take care of the signs. Plus 8 iota is the imaginary number and minus 15 iota also is the imaginary number. So we are going to simplify. 10 plus 12 is 22. Plus minus minus. We'll subtract 15 and 8, 7 iota and sign is of the greater value, that is minus. You can see that on both sides the both complex numbers are same. It means we have verified that ZW whole conjugate equals to Z conjugate into W conjugate. Okay, on the same pattern we will solve its next part because I'm thinking that you may take that difficult. So the next part I'm going to solve as well. In the same way you can see here that ZW is given. We are going to put the values of both. First left hand side I am going to solve here. This is the left hand side and Z is here 2 plus 3 iota over W is here 5 minus 4 iota, and it has a conjugate over it. Okay. The way that I'm going to use over here, because you can see that between two complex number there is a sign of division, and if there is a division, that we have done this before in the same exercise 2.6, that we take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply and divide the same expression by the conjugate. So here 2 plus 3 iota divided by 5 minus 4 iota multiplied by its conjugate is 5 plus 4 iota divided by its conjugate is 5 plus 4 iota. Okay, now we'll multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. ठीक है, आप न्यूमिनेटर को न्यूमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यानी 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा 5 से, ये दो ब्रैकेट्स जैसे आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बिल्कुल उसी तरह से है। 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा 5 प्लस 4 आयोटा से, सेम लाइक दिस प्लस 3 आयोटा मल्टीप्लाई होगा 5 प्लस 4 iota, and 5 minus 4 iota, 5 plus 4 iota. You can see here again we can use the formula of a minus b into a plus b. A is 5 square minus b is 4 iota square. A square minus b square. So 2 5 times here 10, 2 4 times here 8 iota. It has a conjugate that I forgot. Okay, plus 3 5 times 15 iota plus 3 4 times 12 iota. Iota mean iota square. Iota iota से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो iota square आ जाएगा. Okay, 5 square equals to 5 5 times 25. 4 square mean 4 4 times 16. Iota square mean iota square. Okay, now in place of iota square what we are going to do, we are going to put the value of iota square, that is equals to minus 1. Again I forgot to put the conjugate here. 10 plus 8 iota plus 15 iota plus 12 into minus 1. Okay, now we are going to simplify it further. It has a conjugate over it. 10 plus 8 iota plus 15 iota plus minus minus 12, and this is divided by 15 minus minus plus 16. We are doing here first the left hand side and we will move further. 10 plus 8 iota, the real numbers are 10 minus 12. Imaginary numbers are plus 8 iota plus 15 iota, and this is divided by 25 plus 16 is 41, and it has a conjugate over it. Okay, the real numbers 10 minus 12 equals to minus 2, plus plus plus, when we will add both these it will give us 23 iota, and this is divided by 41 and it has a conjugate over it. The both numbers are divided by 41, so we write this separately, minus 2 over 41 plus 23 over 41 iota, and it has a conjugate over it. Now at the end we will take its conjugate, minus 2 over 41. Imaginary number is this one, so its symbol will be changed. 41 iota. This was our left hand side, and this left hand side we will write in the side, because when we are going to solve its right side तो फिर हमें पता चले कि वो left के equal है. ठीक है, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का आंसर हमारे पास आ गया। अब हम क्या करेंगे, राइट हैंड साइड को सॉल्व करेंगे, लेकिन इस आंसर को इधर साइड पे लिख देंगे ताकि हमें पता चल जाए कि हमारा लेफ्ट और राइट का आंसर बिल्कुल सेम आया है। Now we are going to solve its right side, that is z conjugate over w conjugate. Okay, first the z conjugate, we will put here the value. First we will write left hand side, that is z conjugate mean, first the value of z I will write 2 plus 3 iota over w value, its conjugate, the value of w is 5 minus 4 iota and its conjugate. Okay, first of all, I have told you, because if there are the separate conjugates, so first we will take its conjugate. From here I will start 2 minus 3 iota over 5 plus 4 iota. Now in the same way, if there is a division, one is numerator, other is the denominator, I will take the conjugate of the denominator here. ठीक है, जब हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन होगा तो हम डिनोमिनेटर का कॉन्जुगेट लेंगे इसका, उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 माइनस 4 अयोटा और फिर उसके साथ डिवाइड भी करेंगे. ओके, नाउ इन द सेम वे वी विल मल्टीप्लाई, 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा 5 माइनस 4 अयोटा से एंड माइनस 3 अयोटा मल्टीप्लाई होगा 5 माइनस 4 अयोटा से. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी, a वाली वैल्यू क्या है 5, दिस इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b वाली वैल्यू क्या है 4 अयोटा एंड इट्स स्क्वायर वी विल टेक 2 5 टाइम्स 10, 2 4 टाइम्स 8 अयोटा, 3 5 टाइम्स 15 अयोटा, माइनस 3 अयोटा माइनस 4 अयोटा, माइनस माइनस प्लस 3 4 टाइम्स 12 iota, iota times iota square. In the denominator 5 5 times 25 and 4 square is 16 iota square. Then we will put here the value of iota square, 10 minus 8 iota minus 15 iota plus 12 into minus 1. The denominator in the same way 25 minus 16 into iota square की जगह पे आ जाएगा minus 1. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इस ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे. ठीक है, इधर फर्दर हम आगे सॉल्व कर लेते हैं इसको. 10, बाकी सारे एक्सप्रेशन हम सेम लिख लेते हैं. 10 माइनस 8 अयोटा minus 15 iota and plus minus minus 12 1 times 12. In the denominator 25 minus minus plus 16 1 times 16. Real numbers are 10 minus 12 minus 8 iota minus 15 iota over 25 plus 16 equals to 41. 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Minus minus plus, but the sign of minus we will use here. 15 and 8 is minus 23 iota and this is divided by 41. So this denominator will be divided by both the numbers, real and imaginary, minus 2 over 41 minus 23 over 41 and iota. You can see that this is the answer of the right hand side. I have written here again left side. This is the answer of right hand side and the answer of the left hand side we have written here in the side. You can see कि दोनों के आंसर बिल्कुल सेम है. It means we have verified that this equals to this. At the end you will have to write here verify z over w whole conjugate equals to z conjugate over w conjugate. Okay, the last two parts 5 and 6, they are the same part. One part I will solve over here for you and the other you will try yourself to do. Part 5 I'm going to solve, that is 1 by 2. We'll have to verify the 1 by 2 into z plus z conjugate is the real part of z. Mean we'll have to simplify this and the answer will be in the form of a real number. Okay, this is now 1 by 2. In place of z, I will write its number 2 plus 3 iota, then plus, and its number is again z conjugate, we write in the bracket 2 plus 3 iota, like this, and it has a conjugate over the number, so on this number we put the conjugate. We'll take its conjugate, that is 2 plus is changed into minus, simplify, real numbers 2 plus 2, and plus 3 iota is cancelled by minus 3 iota, 1 by 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, we will do the cancellation, to 2 times 4 it's 2, and 2 is the real part of z. Okay guys, thank you, hope so this will be clear to you.